welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. You already knew that because you clicked on it and it said Stitch Fix unboxing for June. June? Yeah. Stitch Fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you want to know more about it, there's a description down below. They send you 5 items. You send back what you don't want. If you want to try it and you haven't tried it before, I'm going to leave my referral link down below and you can get $25 towards your first fix. So yeah, read down below if you want to know more. We're wearing pink today. I got these new pink glasses. I'm kind of really loving them. So I brought out I think I got this pink, it's a dress. I think I got it from a Fashom box last year. Pretty sure. Anyway, let's open. Here's their screwdriver, our trusty, rusty screwdriver to open our box. I haven't opened the box yet. Stitch Fix is doing their Stitch Fix preview. Fix preview where they send you 10 things in your email and you can pick 5 of them for them to send to you. You can pick 1 for them to send you and they'll fill in the rest with other things. All that kind of stuff. So I don't know if it's for everyone yet, but I have that. So I think I picked all 5 things this time. So it was really good. All 10 items, Deanna, if you're watching this. Yes, I have Deanna back. I saw her name. Sorry, my hair is weird. I saw her name on my Fix preview. So I have Deanna back. Natalie did a fine job last time, but you know, when you're used to your person, you want your person. So, where was I? Oh yeah, everything she picked in the Fix preview, like I wanted all 10 things, basically. So let's read our note. Hi Rachel, I hope you're having a great start to your summer. So glad you're back. I'm not sure what happened last time, but they made a note on your account, so it shouldn't happen again. Do you have any summer projects planned for your house? So many. We are ripping out, our porch is like an enclosed porch, but we want it unenclosed so we can like, you know, put chairs out there and sit and, you know, have a good time. So we're going to be doing that next. We just got our pool open. I'm excited. We are ripping out our back stairs to put a little deck or patio on with some new stairs. That'll be awesome. And redoing our landscaping in our front yard. Yeah, we need to do that too. But my husband has had it torn up for weeks. Yeah, we have tools all over our house since we moved in November. So yeah, I feel you. But that's about it. Jumping into your fix, I'm so glad you loved everything in your preview. I know you've been loving tie-dye, same. And I was so excited to find you a jumpsuit with sleeves. Yeah, because then maybe I can wear it to work. I think this jumpsuit by Kaylee would be cute for work. See, I missed you, Deanna. Or casual wear. I can't wait to see how it fits in your video and let me know how these shorts by Vigas fit size and lengthwise. Happy summer. XO Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. I did miss you. As I said, Natalie did a fine job last box. But I missed you. Okay. So they send you the mailer so you can mail things back that you don't want to keep. They have the invoice with the prices, which we'll go over at the end. And we have our pretty bundle. There she is. I'm so pink today. Like the pink is like taking over. Okay. Let's get into it. She's pretty. Okay, so the first thing is this beautiful lilac and white tie-dye shirt. And this is by Geely. The Brianna short sleeve knit tee in light purple. And she is so cute. I really like her. Oh my gosh. Adorable. The next is a jumpsuit. And I'm excited for this one too. So I have to itch my nose. I itched it. Oh, this is also, wait, hang on. This is also by Geely. I thought it was by Kaylee. We'll have to take a look. Geely Tammy knit crop jumpsuit in dark gray. So it's like dark gray with a white stripe. It has a cuffed sleeve, which I love. It's a jumpsuit, drawstring, pockets, keyhole in the back. I'm excited. This looks so cute. Yeah, I thought the note said by Kaylee. Let me look at the invoice too. Yeah, so that's interesting. The tag on the inside says Geely as well, so very interesting. Oh well. Next we have some shorts by Threads for Thought, and she sized up on it for me, and it is T for T, Threads for Thought, Mabella pull-on short in indigo, and I have been loving the pull-on shorts lately. Walmart just had some that were really cute. It has pockets. I'm excited. Just throw them on when you get home from work. Put on your pull-on shorts. And we have the 9 Britain Levy sleeveless knot front knit top in mustard. So it's like a mustard color with a stripe through it. It has a twist on the bottom. Yay! Isn't everything so cute? And then lastly, we have, I thought these were really cute. I like the deconstruction. We have some shorts by Vegas and Vegas Ace High Rise frayed hem short in indigo. Look at the fray, they're so cute. Kind of like reminiscent of, you know, 80s and whatnot. All distressed. Did I say deconstructed before? Distressed. So yeah, everything's really cute. I'm really excited. Let's try them on. Here's my little pink dress from Fashom. I think it was from Fashom last summer. In case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. First up, we have the tie-dye shirt. It's so soft too, I forgot to mention. And the jeans, I think they're both really cute. I don't have any jeans like this. All my denim jean shorts are like kind of dark wash. So I think these are cute. I think they're a good length. They're not too short. I think they're adorable. I kind of like how like this pocket has the darker wash there and this one's not. Kind of breaks it up a little bit. I think they fit well. My nose is itchy again. And here's a shirt. I tucked it in, but let me untuck it. Here's a t-shirt. I think that's a perfect length as well. You just do a little front tuck with these shorts. I think that looks adorable. I think it's cute. I like them. How many times can I say I think it's cute? I think they're cute. Little summer look. I don't know why, but these shorts like make me want to put on some cowboy boots with them. I don't know. For no reason. I don't even own cowboy boots, but I really like the sleeve length on the t-shirt too. I think that's nice. So first look, I really like it. Let's try on the jumpsuit. Here we have the jumpsuit, and I think it's really cute. This is an elastic waist, but if you undo the drawstring, it does make it a little looser. So it does do something. It's not just there for decoration. I think it's really cute. I don't know if I'm in love with it. I think maybe if it were a different pattern than the stripes, I might like it more. Because then on the back, when you turn around, the stripes don't line up on the legs and where, you know, it meets at your butt. So I'm not sure if I like it enough because of that factor, but I love the sleeves. Like Deanna said, I've been wanting a jumpsuit with like short sleeves. That's, you know, a jumpsuit that's not like V-neck boobs, you know. So I think it's really cute, but I think in a different pattern or color or something, I might like it more. But I think it's really cute. You could always put like a thick belt or something around it too if you want to go like really 80s looking. But yeah, look at this cuff on the sleeve. I think that's so cute. I think that's adorable that the stripes are going the opposite way. Yeah. So I'm unsure. I think it's cute, but I'm unsure. So let's try on the last outfit. Oh, also let me show you like the length on the legs. So it is cropped, which I prefer cropped jumpsuits. I always hit my doorknob. So it is the cropped down there, which I like. Okay. Next outfit. Here we have the yellow tank top with the stripes. I think it's cute. I like the twist right here because then you can always just like tuck it in too. And it's already like kind of formed. I think that's cute. The shorts are really comfortable and you pan down a little bit. Real time. Okay. Here's the shorts. I think they're cute. They're comfy. They have the elastic like stretch right here. We did size up. I think they might be a little too loose, but You know how I am. I like things a little bit looser and flowier. Like these would be nice to just throw on over your bathing suit. I really like them. They're like kind of tie-dye-y a little bit. I think they're really cute. As I like pull down and do all my stuff here in the mirror. That's a great angle. I like the tank top. I don't think I'm in love with it. I do have this one in a different pattern from last summer that I haven't really worn that much, which I realized like after. I'm like, oh yeah, I have this one. I remember the fit of up here. So I don't think I'm going to keep the tank top. I don't think I'm going to keep the jumpsuit. Let's see what the prices are on the 2 pairs of shorts and the t-shirt. I don't know why I'm dancing like this. Maybe because it's finally summer and my pool's open and later today I'm going to my pool. Bam! If you like this video, hit the like button, give it a big thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you like these kind of videos, hit the subscribe button down below. It's down there somewheres. You'll find it. You're smart. Prices. Alright, so dun, dun, dun. The Geely Brianna short sleeve knit tee in light purple, $34. I really liked it. I'm going to keep it. The 9 Levi sleeveless knot front knit top in mustard, $32 for the tank top. I almost just choked. Not for like a price reason, just because I choked on my spit. The Goss Ace high-rise frayed hem short in indigo, $48 for those shorts. I liked them. I don't have anything like them. I think I'm going to keep them. The Kaylee Tammy knit crop jumpsuit, although the tag says Geely, $58 for the jumpsuit. I don't think I'm going to keep it this time. And then the T4T Maybella pull-on short in indigo, $29. And I think I might see if that comes in the smaller size. Because I did like them, but I think they might have been a little too baggy. So actually real time. That's like my new catchphrase, real time. Real time, I'm going to look on the app and see if it's available. Okay, so it is available in the smaller size down, so I think I'm going to keep those shorts. So if I keep the t-shirt, which is $34, the jean shorts $48, and the soft shorts $29, it comes to $111. If I kept everything, it would come to $150. So I'd get that jumpsuit and the tank top for another $39. Which I would wear the tank top, but I don't think I would wear the jumpsuit because of the stripage situation not lining up and maybe the color. So I don't think it's worth it if I'm gonna, for another $40. I know it's Stitch Fix math. This is where it gets hard, Stitch Fix math, because then people will say, oh, you can just sell, the jumpsuit, but it might not sell. It probably would, but it might not. And then I have this jumpsuit that I'm not gonna wear. So I think we're just gonna get the 3 things, the 2 pairs of shorts and the t-shirt. $111 with tax. So $117.66 for those 3 things. I do have some credit. I had a $50 Stitch Fix referral credit like a month or so ago, and thank you guys who signed up. I really appreciate it. Really helps me out because then I can like order more boxes and get, do new videos that I like to do and you guys like to see. So yeah, I really appreciate it. And again, if you want to try Stitch Fix, my referral link will be down below. I think I just have a $25 one right now, but still, that can go towards one item you keep in your box, and if you don't like it, the Stitch Fix, then you don't ever have to do it again, but you tried it, and good for you. So yeah, so I'm going to keep those 3 things, and I'm really excited, and I'm glad to have you back, Deanna, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go in my pool, and I'll see you next time.